Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's word is innate. INNATE. An innate quality or ability is one that we're born with, not one you have learned. Kirill's most impressive quality was his innate coldness, of a quality which you are born with or which is present naturally. Her dance expresses the innate beauty of the human spirit. Power is innately seductive. Example of innate, the formal models that are consistent with a critical period rely on innate representations of abstract structure. Regular forms are thus productively generated by rules which are discrete, categorical, and symbolic objects used in a specialized innate language module. The challenge for the wider community is to recognize the innate dignity of the dying, a recognition implicit in the rituals of some cultures. They recognize, of course, that any innate behavioral tendency would need to be realized in a brain mechanism of one sort or another. These plausibly innate but maturing domain-specific cognitive faculties are candidates for naturally selected adaptations to relevant and recurrent aspects of ancestral environments. Age-associated alterations have also been observed in the cells responsible for innate immunity. Compensate for variation due to innate differences in the mice a second experiment were performed. This suggests that different combinational associations of receptors might underlie the recognition of a wide range of microbial stimuli by the innate immune system. And hence, as children, we learned so much start time with some innate conceptual basis of unknown richness. Nitroaerial particles had held an innate power of motion conferred by the initial divine creative act. On the one hand, they acknowledge that humans possess innate predispositions just like all other creatures. Microglia are innate immune cells and form the first line of defense of the central nervous system. Moreover, we are aware that these results do not explain whether innate ability or increased experience with which, owing to musical training facilities, were learning, or rather than being innate, problem-solving modes are learned with and acquired with experience. Dynamical grammar makes an important contribution to the ongoing debate about how much innate structure must be attributed to the language learner. Thanks.